Hey guys, I'm Urvee and today I'm going to be talking about the newly launched Lakme's Lumi Cream. So let's get started. So the Lakme Lumi Cream is for 299 rupees. I got it from Amazon. Now they said that Lakme Lumi Cream moisturizes and highlights your features and gives a 3D glow. Bringing together best of skincare and makeup, Lakme Lumi Cream is a lightweight moisturizing cream with a hint of highlighter that highlights your features and give a instant glow. Designed for all skin tones and suitable for all skin types. Now they have said to use it as apply the cream in dots and around cleansed face and neck. Gently blend using fingertips, and that is pretty much it. And this is how the packaging it looks pretty cute, and the tub looks like this. This is a tube applicator, not a tub applicator. Again, for 299 rupees, and you get the manufactured date on here as well. So when I first applied the Lumi cream as a illuminating primer, and I did moisturize my face beforehand, but when I applied this was very hydrating. There was this instant gel feeling, a very cooling feeling. It is quite thick, not extremely thick, not extremely thin, but yeah, a bit thicker. Now I know a lot of people compare this to the Max Strobe cream. I would say the Max Strobe cream is a bit lighter, this is a bit thicker, and also the shimmer particles on this are finely milled and it is not extremely shimmery. I would say it is up to 35 to 40% shimmer, and you cannot really see an extreme shimmer when you apply it on your face. It does give you a good glow, it absorbs into your skin really nicely. It is not tacky, it blends in really well, which is something which I really like. And since I have a dry skin type, I always use a hydrating primer, a illuminating primer, and then if I want, I can top it up with a blurring primer. Today I've just used this to try it out and see how it looked on me. So while the application process was great, I applied it as a primer, it moisturized everything is good. So I applied the Lakme foundation, 95 foundation, and the concealer with that just to see how it looks, and I honestly think it looks really good. I think the primer did a great job, and as you all know, I love the Lakme 95 foundation. Now Lakme 95 foundation is my absolute favorite ones, and I love how it is looking. Honestly, it is giving like this glow from within look as well, which is what I honestly like. Now the other process was all same. I did a cream, contour, blush, highlight procedure, and for the cream highlight I used the Lumi cream as well. Now I'm not gonna lie, over here, if you see on camera and also if you see in the clips which I will be adding right now, you will see that it is looking a bit a lot, and but honestly, if you see like it in real life, the highlighter like this isn't as blinding as it is. Now when I applied it on camera, it looks like it is a lot, it is shiny, it is blingy, but if you see it in real life, it is not extremely shiny or blingy. I would say it is like a mild kind of a liquid highlighter. Now if you want something which is very blingy, what you can do is like apply the Lumi cream like this, and then on top of that apply a powder highlighter, which will give you that extra kind of highlight on your face. And over here, like here, it did not shift or do anything. I feel like here a little bit of shift happened, like it picked a little bit of foundation and blush which I applied, but I feel like that's fine. You need to be really careful, especially I'm not really good with like liquid highlighters because they just tend to move around. So you need to be really cautious when you're applying that. Apply it on little by little, gently. So yeah, other than that, I feel like it looks really good. I honestly love how it looks. It is very hydrating. I do not feel dry at all, even after applying a little bit of powder and setting my face, all of that, it does not feel dry. So that was basically how the Lumi cream has worked for me so far. I definitely see myself using this so freaking much in the future. I would love to try it with other foundations as well, and I have applied it with Lakme foundation, and I honestly think this is looking amazing. And I also will be doing a MAC versus Lumi cream comparison. I have my thoughts on that one. I will leave that for the next video. Links to all the products I have used on my face will be in the description down below, so you can check that out. And make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Bye.